everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now quickly just want to say this is another very quick and very easy Halloween look, can I just say, to do. It's not, it literally takes like 5 minutes, maybe that, once you have your normal makeup on. You just shove this over the top. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you like this neon skull look. It's very easy, you don't really need anything fancy, just all the stuff will be linked in the description box below that you need.
Right, hello everyone, we're starting with the Kat Von D tattoo liner and just creating a cat eye look with on both eyes, preferably. We've got 2 of them. Then we are going in with the Naked 2 palette with the colour Blackout, which is just a black matte shade, and creating sort of like blurred out black look with the eye sort of thing. Then we're going in with the NYX white shadow base, I believe, and this is just to create a light undercolour for when we put the neon-y eyeshadow over the top. Then we are going in with the Kohl liner by Revolution and just outlining the markings, so I'm doing the nose, and then I'm going to fill it in with the same Kohl marker as well, just because it's such a small part. Then we're outlining the cheekbones, I want to call them, and I'll colour them or shade them in with this Snazaroo. So I've made the black teeth with the Kohl liner too. This is quite easy to do, just sort of like little triangles. I've done 5, which we obviously all have more than 5 teeth, but this is just an easier sort of number to do. So that's the Snazaroo. I'm shading it in with a concealer brush there, just to get it all compacted in nicely to get a good pigmentation. Then we are going in with the NYX Brights palette and using like one of the greeny blue shades, and that is just going on the white lighter bit we made in earlier. Then I'm using a NYX white chunky liner, and this is to go across the whole face like so. And then we're going to be using the Mermaid shade by NYX, I believe, which is just going over the light parts again. This is really good to highlight because it's got a shimmer in it as well, so definitely would recommend this colour. And this is just going over all of the white on the face, and that is the look pretty much. Putting some eyelashes on using the Morphe ones again, highlighting using the Mary Luminizer by Benefit, which is a great highlighter, can I just say. Then that is pretty much the look once you've done that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please tag me if you recreate it yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!